好，大家好，我是 Richard，我来自台湾。早上好，早安。现在台湾的时间是早上的7:36。今天要来教大家中文。今天要教的是中文数字的说法，怎么用中文讲数字。好，那我们今天就开始我们的课程了。好，今天要教的是数字。数字就是 numbers， 数字。Hello, my friend Lika. Thank you. 数字 numbers. Good morning, Lika. It's very nice to see you here. Okay, let's translate that into English. Today is our Chinese lesson for numbers. So today we are going to talking about numbers in Chinese. And today is a very easy lesson because we are just going to talk about 0 to 10. 0 to 10. How to say 0 to 10 in Chinese. Okay, so let's talk about it. 数字 numbers 数字。Hello, Newer. Very nice to see you here. Yeah, Newer. Thank you so much for joining my live. So right now let's talking about the numbers in Chinese. Okay, so today we are talking about 0 to 10. Okay, let's continue our lesson. First of all, let's talk about 0. 零 0. Sorry, I should say that in Chinese. 零 means 0. 零 Okay, then 一 means 1. 一 and you know how to write it very easy, just like this. Yeah, Neil, thank you so very much for this. 一 1. Okay, 二 means 2. 二 Okay, once again, 二 means 2. Okay, and it is also very easy to write. Short one and the longer one. Short one, longer one. Okay, that's the way to write it in Chinese. Okay, then 三 means 3. 三 Okay, middle longer one, short one, longer one. Very easy to write. Okay, 三 3. Okay, then 四 which means 4. 四 Okay, then 五 which means 5. 五 Okay, let's continue. 六 which means 6. 六 Again, 六 Okay, let's go on. 七 which means 7. 七 Actually, numbers are very easy, in Chinese. Most of them are just one syllable. Yeah, so that's very easy to learn. Okay, 七 7. 八 which means 8. 八 八 okay, and then 九 九 which means 9. 九 九 very good. The last one is 十 十 which means 10, of course. 十 十 okay, so let's read it again, okay, then you know how to read it in Chinese. Okay, 数字数字 which means numbers. 数字零零 zero 一一 one 二二 two 三三 three 四四 four 五五 five. Okay, let's go along. 六六 six 七七 seven 八八 eight 九九 nine. Okay, the last one. 十十 10. Okay, very good. You did a very good job. But all the time we still have to test ourselves. Okay, so I'll type some numbers at random so that let's see if you can really understand every numbers here. Okay, I type all the numbers in random. Okay, I don't know which number I type. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, how to say that? Say that in Chinese in your heart. Okay, think about that. Okay, 4 4 5 5 2 2. Okay, I say that in Chinese. 四 okay, because I type that in random. Okay, 四 Newer, thank you so very much, Newer. 四 how to say this in Chinese? 四 and this one? 五 how about this one? Of course, 五 this one? 二 二 how about this one? Try it. Yes, very good. 三 and this one? 八 8 八 how about this one? 七 7 very good. How about this one? 一 1 very good. How about this one? 零 0 零 how about this one? Try it. Good. 六 6 六 okay, very good. So that's the lesson for today because I need to go to my volunteer work very quickly, so I cannot make this video for a long time. So, but you know, it's my pleasure to teach Chinese with you guys, and I love to share my knowledge with you guys. I hope you can learn something from this lesson. Okay, so see you next time. 再见，下次见，拜拜。